today we are going to be playing Terraria. It's a pretty fun game. So, and I figured I should do it some more. So far we have a pretty good house going. Jack has moved in and everything. And everything is going according to plan. Okay. So, all the slimes are hanging out here. So, let's give them a... Sorry. Let's give them a piece of our mind. This is my property. Thank you. Okay. So, yesterday we were getting started. Now it's time to explore and all that stuff. Pretty fun. Let's mine all this stone so we can make like a furnace.
Chase, there's a lake of alligators, and I want to get to Chain
Okay.
Island, but they can't jump
Let's
the
see. Ooh, there's a cave down there.
Oh no, an alligator's eating me.
It also looks like there's some minerals.
Oh, sorry.
Alright. We got some tin.
I'm gonna go
Also,
get
let's
my
place
bridge.
Oh, guys, that was a pretty disappointing cave, except looks like something's going on over there. So, I'll craft a few of these real quick. Oh, guys, there's a slime coming. Alright. You are not allowed to be here. There. That ought to teach him a lesson. Alright. I think that's tungsten. Lead. It's lead. Never eat lead, guys. If you eat lead, you will get lead poisoning and you will die.
So true. Always listen to Fun Days with
Lucas! Alright, I'm sorry, my little brothers don't know better than to not intrude in my video. I apologize for the inconvenience. And I'm stuck. Ugh. This is quite a situation to be in, guys.
No,
There.
No.
Oh, you have to be kidding me.
Just a second, Chase. Just a second.
No. Stop it.
Okay.
There, that ought to teach him a lesson. That's an axe. I want my pickaxe. Okay. Let's just put one here. Okay, guys. So, it's a bit of a successful mining thing. I have no idea. So, I think we can craft a furnace. I don't know. Let's see.
There we go, Chase.
Oh, a furnace. Looks like, yeah, we have enough. So, there.
Wait a second.
Now we can craft a mana crystal
Chase.
and some lead and a tin bar, or lots of tin bars. Let's see, we can also do an anvil, heavy metal. Okay, let's use the mana crystal. We got more star power. Okay, but seriously, let's place our anvil there. Okay, then we can craft a lot of stuff. Well, not really.
There we go, Chase. Now the island is
Minecart. We can get a minecart
I can jump there, but
and armor.
so I must get in the water while the alligators
Let's put that here
are sleeping.
and that there
The bridge,
and some greaves.
the bridge is complete. Chase, get out of the
Yay!
water. The alligators are waking up. They're gonna eat you.
Okay,
If you stay in the water.
well, let's explore some more. Also, you'll notice we no longer have our purple clothes because we put on our armor. There. So, looks like we have some more lead. Let's put that in. Let's get that. Okay.
Oh, there it is. Sploosh.
That should be enough. And that's all of it, so it's a good thing. But for now, we're just going off exploring, which is one of the fun parts of Terraria, you know? It's fun! Also, sorry if there's a bit of lag on the camera. This is a pretty huge game, so... Oh yes, I absolutely have to kill that guy. This is taking forever. No, I refuse you do this to me. I must get revenge. Oh, I'm about to die. Oh, boy. And he was purple, too. I guess he didn't see my purple clothes because I was wearing my armor. So, next time, let's not wear armor. And see how that goes. Also, looks like there's something glowing down there, which I'd be happy to investigate. But let's hope he hasn't despawned, because I have a bit of I want revenge, to say the least. Alright, where is this chump? I know you're there, and I'm coming for you. Unless you disappeared. In that case, I would be very angry at you. Oh, he did. He ditched us. I can't believe this! We got a lesser healing potion. Ooh, a snow place. And some pots. We got more lesser healing potions. And it looks like there's a cave, but first let's check out this snow place. Guys, the purple slime has returned. Let's dig ourselves out of this. Alright, there we go. Ugh, darn it. Okay. We just need to work around these things, you know? Okay. Got my sword. I will get revenge. Don't think you can defend the purple slime, green slime. It's an illegal rule. Yeah! I did it! Hey! I'm sorry for killing your friend. I should not have done that. Wait, no, I totally should have. Sorry for the inconvenience. Oh, no. Oh, I see what's going on now. They're trying to sass me for killing their buddy. Guess what? I don't deal with those kinds of things. Yes? Okay. Darn it. I'm gonna die. Just accept it. Yeah! We did it, guys. Suddenly I feel very bad about it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry for anything I've done to you. Unless your name is, actually, never mind. What's that down there? Let's go investigate. Alright. It's gonna be a long process of digging. But if we keep an open mind, then we should probably be able to do it.
Oh, I got you again.
Alright.
What did
Looks
this
like
do?
we're almost
One
there.
on your shoulders.
We're getting pretty close. Yeah.
I got you straight to the
It looks like some weird glowing purple thing. Well, what is that? Well, let's not do that. I can't break it.
How is he surviving?
Frozen platform. It doesn't. I don't think we can.
Ow!
Okay, I think that's like a demon altar where you can craft a bunch of weird things. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Am I out of platforms? No, okay, here we go. Let's see. Hold on. We can do this. Just gotta keep an open mind. Okay, we did it, guys. And we found a demon altar. Okay, let's just dig our way out of here.
Thank you, Chase. Now I shall give you this card. And I will show mercy on you. I will not shoot.
Darn. Okay, we did it. No. We did not do it quite yet. Now we did it. Alright. Die, punk. You wanna mess with me? Alright. Looks like you're about dead. I'm sorry for killing your friend. Well, let's just keep exploring, guys. There's always some place to explore. Yep. Okay. I'm glad we're doing more exploring for this episode. Let's see. If we can get to that. Oh, no. Ah. Quick, get him with the pickaxe. Yeah, we did it, guys. I'm proud of us. Except it was me who did it and not you guys. So, you know, no hard feelings. Let's break out of here. Oh no, there's a slime coming for me. Quick, let's build up. Okay, I think we lost him, guys. I think we lost him. Looks like another cave, too. Okay, let's just destroy that stuff. Looks like another demon altar down there. Okay. Okay, no. Okay, that was a close one, guys. Okay. Well, let's go down here. Hey. Yes. Alright. We did it. Well, what's going on here? Well, what's going... No. This is absolutely... No. Oh, this is unacceptable. I expected more from you guys. No. You've messed with the wrong guy dressed in purple clothes. You know that? 'Cause I sure do. Okay. Okay. Well, let's kill these punks. No, you better not do that. It's extremely illegal. No. Ha ha ha. No, you better not. I'm about to die. Wait. Yes, I healed. Yeah, I did it. Alright. Eventually I'll be out fighting bosses. And then I'll look at where I am now and be like, huh, was I really such a noob? That's why I'm recording these videos. Someone died there. He had a pretty tiny skull though. Must have not been very smart. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to... I'm sorry for making a torch with your friends, Jill. Oh, no, no, no. Click. No! Help! Help! Stop it! Whew. Okay. Here we go. Okay. We just gotta... Oh, no! Stop it! Stop it! Oh! Oh, no, 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 no. No, stop it! No! This is the worst! Help! No! Ah! Help! Help! No, 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 guys, stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Oh! Oh, no, no, no! Ah! Oh! Stop it! That made me very mad. And when I get mad, oh boy, are you in trouble. But then again, I did kill their best friend. I should take off my armor so they recognize me. Yeah! We did it, guys. Now the slimes won't attack us. We'll be safe. Oh, hey, there's a slime zombie thing right there. I think it's because the zombie was possessing the slime. But fortunately, other slimes should recognize us. Okay, there we go. Well, let's go out and explore the world. It looks like we're doing pretty good. Ooh, it's a giant tree. Okay. 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 Alright, let's kill these guys. Just cause they're really annoying me. We've got to get a better sword. You know? I'm sure you get where I'm coming from. Ah, I didn't see you. Okay. It's a desert. It's great because I love desert. And now that we have 3, we can make a mana crystal. Woo! Yeah. Okay. Now we have a 3rd mana star. Ooh. Alright. Let's avoid the antlion den. Those are my torches. Oh no. Okay. Well, let's do this the right way. Burn it. Okay. Now let's do it like we're supposed to. Why is it? It's a party! Ah! Stop it! No, I have to get out of here. Oh, darn it! The zombies got me. If they were slimes, they would have understood me. Let's go see what the slimes have to say about this. Also, let's dig down here. Okay. What's down here? I think it may be another demon altar. I may be wrong though. Yeah, it's a demon altar. Let's see if there's anything else down there. Ah! Stop it, stop it. Oh, no, 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 no. Alright. Let's just dig. Here, we may want to do this. There. Okay. Yeah, I think we're doing pretty good so far, guys. Yay! We did it. We got a demon altar. We got a lesser healing potion. Let's dig down even lower. Just for something interesting. You know. Ah! No, 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 you better stop that, young man. No, no, no. You, no, no, no. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Okay, I think we're doing it. All right. You know what I want? I want revenge. So let's go down and get those dudes. Okay, let's just drop down here. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. But anyway, so this has been a really fun episode. So please leave a like, subscribe, and I will be seeing you later. Goodbye.